Welcome back to another Trade Alts Trading Bot tutorial. This is bots versus deals. So this is how to edit your trading bot deals done the correct way. We've actually had this video in the archives for quite a while, say at least 3 months or so. And this was done by one of our amazing trading bot coaches, Rocket Mike. You can find him in Discord, where we have I think about 7,000 members in Discord now, or you can find him also in Telegram, helping people out. So he's done a phenomenal job for us, and he actually put this video together. So again, if you're new, I would definitely give this video a watch. And there will be links to our free Discord and our free Telegram community. Again, in Discord, we have over 7,000 people there. Very, very awesome group of people, very helpful. And there also will be a link to our new VIP tier, which is available through patreon.com. So if you're interested in that, there will also be a link in the description below. But that being said, let's get to the video.
Hi, I'm Rocket Mike from the TradingView admin team, and in this short video I'd like to talk about the differences between bots and deals and where exactly adjustments you make will have an impact.
Let's briefly recall what bots and deals actually are. You can think of bots as a template for your future trades, called deals in the context of trading bots, where you define different settings such as a trading pair, the amount of your base and safety orders, additional settings for your safety orders, your take profit target, 1.2 in this example, and your deal start condition. Usually we use ASAP here, so we start a new deal as soon as possible. Whenever a deal closes, another one gets started with the parameters we have configured here in the bot settings. Now, when a bot starts a new deal, the settings that we've previously set as parameters in the bot settings will be applied. The question now is which settings and changes to the bot or the deal will have an impact. And to make it very easy to understand, I've created the following overview, which you might already know because I have posted that several times on Telegram and in Discord. If you make changes to the bot, that will have only an impact on future deals and not on your currently open deals. And if you make changes to one of your deals, that will have impact only on the current deal and not on any of your future deals. Okay? Let's use an example to show how not to do it. Imagine your goal is to change the take profit of your deal, and you head over to your bot settings, change the settings of your bot, in this case the take profit, then switch back to your deal, refresh your deal, and you see that your take profit is still at 1.2%. And you see that nothing has changed. If we have a look at our bots and deals cheat sheet, we can see that we have edited the bot and it does not have any impact on our current deals. Now let's do it the right way. Edit the deal, adjust our take profit target, and we can see that the deal updated and our new take profit target, there we go, is active. Another example, often the question comes up what to do if you want to close the current deal normally, but not start a new deal afterwards. A new deal means a future deal, and as we can see, we have to do the editing on the bot level. All you need to do is switch over to the bot that you want to stop the bot, switch over to the current deal, and as you can see, the bot is stopped, but the currently open deal is still running with all the parameters with all your safety orders, your take profit level. New safety orders will be created until the deal closes in profit or you manually cancel or stop the deal. And again, if you want to make any adjustments to your deal, edit the deal, make the changes that you want. And here we go. The changes are immediately active, but only for the current deal and not for future deals. All right, a minute ago we stopped our bot. And as we remember, this has only impact on future deals, not on the current deal. Let us have a look at what happens if we close the deal. For this demonstration, we are going to close the deal manually. The deal is closed. We refresh and see no new deal is created. And if we switch to the bot section, we can double check. The bot is disabled. And we see no active deals. Before we end this video, let us restart the bot and do a last demonstration. We've made adjustments on the bot level. We changed the take profit. And changes on bot level will have impact on all future deals. So if we open a new deal now and check the settings of the new deal, we can confirm that all the parameters from the bot level have been applied to the new deal. Final wrap up: if you edit the bot, it will have impact on future deals, not on currently open deals. And if you want to make one-time adjustments to a deal, you have to edit the deal, which will have impact only on the current deal, not on other deals and not on future deals. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you got any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on Telegram or Discord. Cheers, Rocket Mike.